We find the best ingredients we can find to accompany the best dairy that we have. So the combination between all of it makes for, I feel, an ice cream that kind of sets itself apart from anyone else's.
And they strictly use our milk and our cream and buttermilk and Creole cream cheese to make their ice cream. My great-grandfather was from the lower Ninth Ward in New Orleans. They delivered milk door to door. They made Creole cream cheese. I've watched George kids grow up, and I mean, his oldest was a baby when they first started coming to the farmer's market and buying the milk. And he said he wanted to do something for his little girl, and they started making the ice cream, and it has been a huge hit.
We might get out there every few weeks, yeah, to see the babies and the mamas. It feels good to be a part of something that was started so long ago and it's still hanging on. It's actually grown a lot in the last 10 years. The king cake in general has a kind of can have a creamy kind of taste with the icing or the Creole cream cheese.
That warm cone, that cold ice cream is just unmatchable.
The waffle cones they just melt in your mouth. I just love it.